Hello guys, today we will learn how to set up custom attributes in Exchange Online. For this we need to go to Exchange Admin Center. On the home page you need to go to Recipients, Mailboxes. You need to open the mailbox for the user for whom you want to set up the custom attribute. I'll go for the test user that we created as Jennifer David. Now over here you'll see different tabs. Go to Others tab. Over here you'll find the option for custom attributes. You need to click on it. You'll see that you can enter up to 15 custom attributes in Exchange Online. So these are the values which do not exist for an existing attributes in Exchange. So basically these are the attributes that are not available in Exchange. We can take an example of the company name, or else we can take an example of organization unit. So I'll take an example of the company name. Let's suppose my company name is CGS. So I'll save the attribute as CGS, custom attribute 1 for Jennifer David. Great, settings has been updated. It might take up to 5 minutes for these changes to appear. So however, it gets real-time synced. So if I go back to the same custom attribute tab, you'll see the CGS value over here. So this is how we can update custom attributes in Exchange Online, and I'll tell you the use of these custom attributes in my next video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.